What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we're showcasing watch faces from the Prado Watch Face Design Group. Starting with this one. This watch face is called Forecast Flip version 2. That particular watch face kind of reminds you of some old school alarm clocks that you may or may not have back in the day. You might even have them right now, who knows? But it's very clean and simple to read. On the left, you'll have your hour. On the right, you have your minutes, and it does come in a 12 or 24-hour format. Now, if you look towards the top here, you have the moon phase, of course, the Earth right there, and then right here, you'll notice the weather. Now, I'm in Central Texas, so it's not 80.8 degrees. I just haven't set the location on the device yet. I'm just doing this for the demonstration. But at the bottom, you can notice you can get to your phone dialer, your messages, and then your media player. Now, what's so cool about this one is that if you tap on the watch face, there we go, it'll show you today's day and the date, and also the month, and it shows you that you do have clear skies, which again, location is not set correctly, otherwise it would say cloudy. And at the bottom, it shows your battery percentage. Again, this is the Forecast Flip version 2. This watch face is called Sport version 2. Nice take on how the Prado Watch Face design team did with this particular watch face. As below the time itself, you can also have you also see the days of the week, and above that 05, you'll see the date. And then above the 37 or the 7, you have the AM or PM, and up top you'll have your weather conditions. Again, location is not set on the watch. At the bottom, you'll see your step counter, how many calories you burn, the distance that you've taken, and your heart rate. And the cool thing about this is that you can kind of tap on this side and you can change the colors, which is pretty awesome. This watch face is called Colors Fit Watch Face in the Miles edition. Now, just off a first glance, the font that's used here kind of reminds me of the Samsung Gear Fit 2. So it's a nice job that they have there. And if you look to the right of the watch face, you can see your heart rate, your calories burned, how many steps you've taken. And this particular one has a step count, or your stairs counter. So it'll count that, give you your battery percentage, and you'll have your hot touch points down at the bottom. So you can go to your settings, your music player, your phone dialer, your messages, and it looks like you can even set an alarm and get into your email. If you notice around the ring of the watch, the second counter is actually moving, so that's a nice added touch. And of course, it wouldn't be a color watch face without being able to change that color. So if you just tap on it there, you can see how the color is changing with this watch face. The last watch face that we're going to showcase today is called the Walking Watch Face. This is probably going to be one of the cleanest watch faces out of the group, and you can just see the watch face gives you all the information at a glance, gives you the day of the week, gives you the time, and even the seconds are moving below the PM that you can see there. And then on the watch face itself, you have your step counter, your calories burned, your heart rate monitor, miles traveled, and again with the Gear S3, this watch face features a stair counter as well. And of course, in Prada fashion, just double tap on there, and you can kind of change there's no counter, you can change the color there. So that's a pretty good look. If you are interested in any of these watch faces, go to the Samsung Gear Store app on your phone and just type in Prado Watch Face Designs, and it should pull up their entire catalog of watch faces that they have available. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until then, we'll see you later.